In today's video, we are going to work on traveling 3 turns, which skaters can use as a connecting steps and as a difficult entrance into the spin. There are 2 kinds of traveling 3 turns. One starting from a forward outside edge and the other from a forward inside edge. Forward outside edge 3 turns lead into a forward spin, while forward inside edge 3 turns lead into a backward spin. To start working on this exercise, practice multiple 3 turns by pushing onto a forward outside edge, bending your knee and ankle, and extending your free leg. Begin with a forward outside edge 3 turn, bend your knee and ankle while extending your free leg behind you. Keep the same arm as your skating leg in front of you. After the 3 turn, bend your knee and ankle again, keeping your free leg extended behind and checking your shoulders. Continue by rotating your upper body into a backward inside 3 turn, going down, up, and down again. Exit on the forward outside edge and keep doing 3 turns, ensuring that you check every 3 turn at the top with square shoulders and hips. As you progress, try to make your circle smaller by deepening your edge, pressing into the forward outside edge, and keeping your shoulders and hips aligned. Ensure that your free leg moves together with your skating leg, shoulders, and hips. After the final 3 turn, rotate your upper body into the spin. If you are doing an upright spin, let your free leg swing around to generate more power. If it's a forward camel spin, keep your free leg behind you. The second variation starts with a forward inside 3 turn and leads into a backward spin. If you are going into an upright spin, keep your back straight and your free leg extended behind, bending your knee and ankle before and after each 3 turn. Continue with your 3 turns, keeping your free leg extended behind and working with your skating leg only. After the final 3 turn, try to complete at least a half revolution before transitioning to a backward outside edge. Then bring your free leg in front for an upright or seat spin. If you are doing a camel spin, keep your free leg behind. Let's check the most common mistakes skaters make when they start working on their traveling 3 turns. The first mistake is the wrong free leg position. If you move into a 3 turn by swinging your free leg around and keeping it in front, you won't generate much momentum for the spin. Instead, focus on keeping your free leg behind and working more with your knee and ankle of your skating leg. Another common mistake is not engaging your skating leg properly. If your skating leg is too stiff, you won't get enough power or edge going into the spin. This is especially important when working on a traveling 3 turn into a camel position. A third mistake is an unstable free leg position, moving up and down, which creates imbalance in your upper body and can cause you to trip over your toe pick, as you can see with this skater. To avoid that, try to keep your free leg leveled before and after the 3 turn. Work with your skating leg while keeping your upper body stable and slightly forward if you are working on a camel spin. You can find more videos for the 3 turns by clicking the link above or checking the description below. Let's go over the correct approach again. Lean forward, bend your knee, and extend your free leg behind while keeping your shoulders and hips aligned over your skating leg. As you push into 3 turn, bend your skating knee and ankle. Straighten your skating leg at the top of the turn, then bend again and check your shoulders after the turn. Continue the up and down motion, deepening your edge and making your circles smaller until you hook the 3 turn and transition into the camel spin. With practice, your spin will become quicker, more controlled, and more powerful. For more tips and tutorials, check out my playlist for spins by clicking the link above or look in the description below. Now let's look at this more advanced skater executing traveling 3 turns into the camel spin. As you can see with this skater, she pushes into the 3 turn, extends her free leg behind, aligns her shoulders and hips with her skating leg, and stretches her arms to the sides in a square position. She keeps her knee and ankle slightly straight during the turn, bends again after the turn, and keeps her free leg parallel to the ice with full extension. Once she completes the 3 turn, she finishes her shoulder rotation, straightens her skating leg, and starts her camel spin. Another variation of the traveling 3 turn is transitioning into a backward camel spin. This starts from a forward inside 3 turn with an upper body twist outside of circle. After the turn, extend your free leg behind and maintain the same upper body and leg position while working with your skating leg. Lower into the turn, rise during the turn, and bend your knee and ankle again after the turn. Progressively deepen your edge while making smaller circles until you enter into the backward camel spin. After the last 3 turns, straighten your skating leg as you gliding on the back outside edge. Extend your arms, arch your back, and start your backward camel spin. If you find my videos helpful, remember to push the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. And now, more advanced variation of traveling 3 turns is incorporating a butterfly with Arabian toe tap into the spin. In this version, you enter from a forward outside 3 turn and place your free foot on the toe each time you finish a turn, using it to push into the next one for more power and momentum. At the end, tap your free leg on the ice while lifting your other leg and then kick both legs into a backward camel spin. Mastering traveling 3 turns take practice, precision, and control. By focusing on proper free leg positioning, engaging your skating leg, and maintaining a stable upper body, you will be able to generate more momentum and improve your spin entries. Whether you are working on a forward or backward camel spin or adding advanced variations like the butterfly, these techniques will help you achieve smoother, more powerful spins. Keep practicing and let me know in the comments how your traveling 3 turns are improving. If you are looking to build a strong foundation in figure skating, check out my online video course Figure Skating Foundations on my website styleskating.com. This course is designed to guide you step by step from your very first glide on the ice to mastering essential skating skills. Are you struggling with balancing edges? Is it hard for you to generate power in your skating? Do you dream of learning to jump, spin, and perform steps and turns with confidence? If so, my video course is perfect for you. And if you need help on specific skating moves, consider joining my YouTube channel membership to get priority replies to comments, professional skating advice through email, and members-only videos on demand. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I see you in the next video.